homes, history, and a few jaw-dropping surprises. From houses sold in a catalog to toilet-shaped museums, we're diving into 12 fascinating facts you definitely didn't learn in real estate school. Ready to explore the weird and wonderful world of property and beyond? Let's go. 1. Sears sold homes by mail. From 1908 to 1940, Sears sold over 70,000 DIY home kits through their catalog. That's right. Buyers received everything from lumber to nails, delivered to their door. 2. Alaska was a real estate bargain. In 1867, the U.S. bought Alaska from Russia for just $7.2 million, or 2 cents per acre. Once seen as a frozen wasteland, it turned out to be a goldmine of natural resources. 3. The Hollywood sign was a real estate ad. Originally built in 1923 as Hollywoodland, the sign was actually an ad for a housing development. It dropped the land in 1949 and became the legendary symbol we know today. The world's biggest home has a snow room Antilia. In Mumbai is a $2 billion mega home with 27 floors, 3 helipads, and yes, a room that snows in India. 5. A house once sold on eBay. British adventurer Ian Usher sold his house, job, and even friends on eBay after a divorce, netting over 300,000 USD. Now that's one way to reset your life. 6. There's a toilet-shaped house in South Korea built by restroom advocate Sim Jae-deok. This toilet-shaped home is also a museum. It's called Haewoojae, and yes, it's flush with charm. 7. The most expensive zip code in America is 94027. Welcome to Atherton, California, where homes go for a cool $12 million on average. Strict zoning laws help keep things exclusive and sky-high in price. 8. Scottish homeowners paint doors red to celebrate. In Scotland, painting your front door red means you've paid off your mortgage. It's a proud, colorful way to say, I own this. 9. Japan destroys houses every 30 years. Thanks to strict earthquake codes and a love for modern living, many homes in Japan are torn down and rebuilt every 3 decades, no matter how nice they are. 10. Castles are for sale in the UK. Want to live like royalty? You can buy historic castles in Scotland and Ireland, towers, moats, and all. Smart homes are cool, but how about a drawbridge? 11. The Burj Khalifa's elevator is lightning fast. The elevator in Dubai's Burj Khalifa zips up 140 floors at 22 miles per hour. Basically, a luxury rocket with button access. 12. Flushing uses 38% of your home's water. Think showers use the most water? Nope. 38% of household water goes to flushing the toilet. That's a lot of going down the drain. Mind blown yet? If you loved these quirky facts, hit like, share with a friend, and let us know in the comments. Which one surprised you the most?